Three women, a man, and a deadly fight. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. What started as an argument between a man and a woman at his home in the wee hours of Monday has left the man dead, and the police probing the circumstances surrounding his death after the woman's mother and sister got involved. Dead is 23-year-old Francois Vassel, a farmer of Silo District and Roses Valley District, both in St. Elizabeth. Reports from the Balaclava police are that between the hours of 2:45 a.m. and 3:20 on April the 1st, Vassel and a woman were having an argument outside his home when it escalated into a fight. The woman's sister and mother, who were armed with machetes, joined in and reportedly started fighting Vassel. The police said that the young farmer received injuries and fell to the ground. He was assisted to hospital where he later died while undergoing treatment. The police have since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.